Intro camera pans over a desert landscape at dawn. Good morning, adventurers and animal enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered what it's like to be a two-humped marvel of the desert? Well, today we're in for a treat. We're about to spend 24 hours with one of nature's most fascinating creatures, the Bactrian camel. Get ready to experience a day in the life of a Bactrian camel. From their morning routines to their nighttime habits, we'll uncover all the secrets of these desert dwellers. So grab your water bottles and let's dive into the sandy world of the Bactrian camel. Main content footage of a Bactrian camel stirring as the sun rises. As the first rays of sunlight peek over the dunes, our Bactrian camel friend, let's call him Humphrey, begins to stir. Humphrey's day starts early, usually around 5 a.m. when the desert is still cool. He slowly rises to his feet, stretching his long legs and shaking off the night's chill. Bactrian camels are well adapted to extreme temperatures, but they still appreciate the cooler morning air. Close-up of Humphrey's face. Humphrey's first order of business is to clean his eyes and nostrils. He uses his long eyelashes to brush away any sand that might have accumulated during the night. These eyelashes aren't just for show, they're crucial for protecting his eyes in sandstorms. Wide shot of Humphrey walking. With his morning grooming complete, Humphrey sets off to find breakfast. Bactrian camels are browsers, meaning they prefer to eat shrubs and plants rather than grass. Humphrey uses his tough, leathery lips to grab at thorny desert plants that other animals can't eat. His favorite breakfast includes salt cedar, thorny bushes, and even tree bark. Footage of Humphrey eating various plants. As Humphrey munches away, let's talk about his unique digestive system. Bactrian camels have a 3-chambered stomach that allows them to extract maximum nutrition from tough desert plants. They can even eat plants that are poisonous to other animals. This ability to eat almost anything is crucial for survival in the harsh desert environment. Humphrey approaching a water source. After a hearty breakfast, it's time for Humphrey to quench his thirst. Contrary to popular belief, camels don't store water in their humps. Those are actually fat reserves. However, Bactrian camels can drink up to 30 gallons of water in just 13 minutes. That's enough to last them for several weeks in the desert. Wide shot of a herd of Bactrian camels. As the day progresses, Humphrey joins his herd for some social time. Bactrian camels are highly social animals and live in herds of about 6 to 20 individuals. Communication is key in camel society, and they have a variety of ways to express themselves. Close-up of camels interacting. Humphrey greets his fellow camels by blowing in their faces, a common camel greeting. They also communicate through vocalizations, including grunts, moans, and even bellows during mating season. Body language is important too. A raised tail can signal agitation or excitement. Footage of camels playing. Despite their reputation for being grumpy, Bactrian camels can be quite playful. Humphrey and his friends engage in mock fights, pushing and shoving each other with their necks. This play behavior is important for establishing social hierarchies and strengthening bonds within the herd. Time-lapse of the sun moving across the sky. As the day heats up, Humphrey and his herd seek shade. Bactrian camels are well adapted to extreme temperatures, but even they need a break from the midday sun. They often rest under trees or rocky outcroppings during the hottest part of the day. Close-up of Humphrey's eyes. During these rest periods, you might notice Humphrey's unique eyelids. Bactrian camels have 3 eyelids, 2 normal ones and a third transparent eyelid that helps protect their eyes from blowing sand. This adaptation allows them to see clearly even during sandstorms. Wide shot of camels grazing in the late afternoon. As the day begins to cool, Humphrey and his herd resume their grazing. Bactrian camels are most active during the cooler parts of the day, early morning and late afternoon. They'll spend several hours browsing on various plants, slowly making their way across the landscape. Footage of camels interacting with other desert animals. While grazing, Humphrey might encounter other desert dwellers. Bactrian camels often share their habitat with animals like gazelles, wild asses, and even snow leopards in some areas. These interactions are usually peaceful, as different species have evolved to occupy different niches in the desert ecosystem. Time-lapse of the sun setting. As the sun begins to set, Humphrey and his herd start to prepare for the night. Bactrian camels don't have a fixed sleeping schedule like humans do. Instead, they take short naps throughout the day and night, always staying alert for potential predators. Night vision footage of camels settling down. When it's time to rest, Humphrey will often kneel down and fold his legs under his body. This position helps conserve body heat during cold desert nights. Bactrian camels have thick, woolly coats that provide excellent insulation against both hot and cold temperatures. Close-up of Humphrey's face in the moonlight. Even while resting, Humphrey remains vigilant. Bactrian camels have excellent hearing and can detect sounds from great distances. Their large, mobile ears can swivel to pinpoint the source of a sound, helping them stay safe from nighttime predators. Wide shot of the camel herd under the stars. As the night wears on, Humphrey and his herd will continue their cycle of short rests and periods of grazing. This pattern allows them to make the most of the cooler nighttime temperatures while staying safe from predators. Outro footage of the sun rising, beginning a new day. And there you have it, folks. A full day in the life of a Bactrian camel. From dawn to dusk and through the night, these amazing animals have adapted perfectly to their harsh desert home. We've seen how Humphrey navigates his day, from morning routines to nighttime vigilance. Isn't it incredible how these animals thrive in conditions that would be challenging for most other creatures? If you enjoyed this journey into the world of Bactrian camels, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more animal adventures. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What surprised you most about Humphrey's day? Until next time, keep exploring the amazing world of animals.